If creating a highly profitable social media management business is the goal, we're talking 5-figure months and beyond, then your ability to consistently find new ideal clients is critical to that success. When it comes to where to look and how to attract these new clients, there are plenty of options, but the question is, where do you start? In this video, we've rounded up the 8 best places to find new social media clients. Watch this video to multiply your agency's scale and revenue. This is the BizInc, and we bring to you videos about social media, entrepreneurship and business ventures, to explore in this age of internet and technology. If you find these topics interesting, do consider subscribing our channel and like the video if you find it useful. If you have any questions and opinions about the content, comment down below. Your views will be really appreciated by us. Now without further ado, let's start the video. When you're looking to land clients for your digital marketing agency, your network is a great place to start. Start by letting your friends and family know that you've decided to launch your own social media agency. Remember, word of mouth is powerful. Some of the best referrals come from people who know and trust you. Create a list of your 10 closest contacts. Next, add their email addresses, where they work, their job titles and phone numbers to a spreadsheet. Have some assets prepared to share with them, such as links to your website and socials, or a business card with a QR code that leads to a basic landing page on your website. Start by sending each person on the list an email that includes a brief check-in and explain that you've launched a new social media service. It helps have your positioning dialed in so you can inform them of the problem you're trying to solve for your potential clients. End the email with a polite ask for recommendations from their networks who might be interested in your services. If they can provide you with 2 to 3 names each, that's a solid start in building your potential client list. Always remember, your network is your net worth. Connect with other agency owners, or find other businesses within your niche. Digital marketing is a collaborative industry, and there are tons of service providers out there who specialize in one area. One of the best ways to land clients for your social media agency is by partnering with a non-competing service provider in your niche. Think long and hard about who your ideal clients are. Next, think about what other services they might want or need. These need to be services that you don't offer. For example, if your agency focuses on social media, consider reaching out to partners who provide services like SEO or website development for businesses in your niche. Set a weekly target number of people to contact that work in these related services and see if there are opportunities to connect. Set up a coffee date or Zoom meeting to get to know each other and get familiar with their work. You can even agree to provide each other with referrals if you believe they do good quality work. Create a value offer like a complimentary social media audit. Clients won't hire you if they don't see a problem with their current social media marketing efforts. One of our top tips for how to get clients for your social media agency is to offer a free social media audit. Begin by offering to audit one platform for them, such as their Instagram, free of charge, and provide quick tips for improvement. This works best if you offer to discuss the results with them on a phone or video call, where you can follow up with more detailed solutions to the problems you identified and include your sales pitch at the end. The more support you offer potential clients, the more they value your expertise. Eventually, when they are ready to invest in a social media service, they'll be more likely to remember and trust you. Other examples of value offers includes sharing a white paper that's relevant to your client's industry, or you can create a quick start social media guide. Another thing to try is to offer a content calendar template for your clients to use. If you share any of the documents, make sure to add your name, branding and social handles so they remember where it came from and how to get a hold of you when the timing is right. Invite prospects to a free social media workshop. Most businesses need help with their social media marketing in some respect. As a new agency, your challenge is to be seen as an expert. Hosting a social media workshop can help position you as thought leader and build your credibility in the digital marketing space. To find attendees, conduct a quick Google search looking for forums or groups that are asking where to learn social media marketing for business. Likewise, you can also try running a Facebook or Instagram ad to promote your event that targets local business owners. Ensure that you set up an Eventbrite page to capture people's names and emails when they register for your event. After the workshop, make sure you follow up by email or phone with everyone who attended your session. For the people that missed the workshop, send a recording with some notes on the major themes. Next, you can ask those who attended what their biggest takeaways were, or if they put your advice into action. If it worked for them, great. If they didn't have time to use it, even better. This is the time for a conversation about hiring your social media agency to buy themselves more time and freedom. A bonus tip here is, always record your workshop or webinar and repurpose the content on your agency's blog or social media. Now moving on to freelancing. If you're new to the digital marketing space, Upwork or Fiverr can be a great place to find new clients for your social media agency. Both platforms allow you to create an agency account, so you can find new clients and hire freelancers to support you as your workload grows. Use the advanced search functions to find projects within your niche and submit a proposal to projects that interest you. These marketplaces are a great way to find long-term or ongoing projects that can eventually evolve into quality clients for your business. Make sure to optimize your profile with your agency's information, website, services, and include any testimonials from past client work. This will help you stand out from competing agencies on the platforms. Let your clients build your business for you through referrals. Word of mouth is everything nowadays. You have probably seen firsthand how it can make or break a business. The best way to leave a positive and lasting impression is by making sure you do remarkable work for your clients. The goal is to then let them build your business through referrals. When a client makes a successful referral for you, be sure to thank them. Whether it's something as simple as a thank you card or a gift card to their favorite coffee shop, it's a nice gesture and keeps the referrals flowing. Eventually, you could even go as far as setting up a formal referral program and give clients a discount on their next month of services when their referral results in a new client for you. New point to remember is to get out of the office and network. As an agency owner, your online presence is important, but keep in mind that there's no substitute for getting out into the real world and connecting with people. Start by attending local events where you will find business owners and other decision makers. These include networking events, education events, expos, and trade shows. These don't always have to be business-centric events either. If you live in a small community, strike up a conversation with people at your local coffee shop or gym. The goal is to establish a presence in the local business community and get to know your fellow business owners and potential clients. When you attend events, always be sure to carry some sort of branded swag or a business card with links to your website. One of our favorite hacks is to carry a card with a QR code that connects right to your website or chatbot to make the experience as effortless as possible. As you build your Rolodex, start to refer people to the businesses you know when opportunities arise. Without a doubt, they will be grateful and more likely to become clients, but they'll also be more likely to return the favor with referrals for your agency. Focus on providing excellent service to your existing clients by planning for scale early. One of the biggest challenges agency owners encounter is a decrease in the quality of work they deliver as their business grows. It's important that you maintain a consistent high standard of work as you onboard new clients. The best way to do this is to plan for scale as soon as you land your first big client. To save time and maximize the efficiency of your workflow, it helps to have the right tools in place. This ensures that as you grow, your clients can expect the same high level of service from you. Spend less time on admin tasks like spreadsheets and endless email threads and focus on what you do best, that is, creating fantastic content for your clients. Now it's time to talk about bonus method, what many businesses are still yet to adopt, and those who adopt the strategy are seeing handsome results of their efforts. We discussed about the ways you can approach clients, but there is golden method of drawing more eyeballs towards your business is using superpower of content creation. Any business owner who's looking to draw clients should first resort to creating relevant content about their business and services on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. With videos being most consumed and booming form of content absorption, you should definitely resort to content creation through videos, addressing and solving the problems you offer to solve through your social media agency. We highly recommend you to use a tool like Vidtoon, which will upgrade your video marketing strategy and help you create sophisticated animated videos using their library consisting of unlimited resources for a very nominal fee of only one time. You can check out the link given in the description. Use it to get a lifetime access offer. With so many powerful social media tools out there, there's never been a better time to build your social media agency. Whether you're a startup or an established digital marketing agency, building your client list should be one of your top priorities. It's important to have a plan to bring in quality clients right from the get-go. Many decision makers believe their business can handle their social media marketing in-house. This is because they either don't see the value of social media for generating new business, or they believe that it looks more authentic for them to post about themselves. We'll let you in on a little secret. Eventually, there comes a time when business owners realize they don't have the time or resources to run their social media effectively. They become frustrated with their inability to drive meaningful engagement, traffic and leads. This is the ideal time for you to come in. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. We covered you up with all the best methods to approach more clients and eventually convert them as long-lasting clients, who brings in recurring income for your social media marketing agency. Also, don't forget the link in the description to be able to upgrade your content creation strategy. If you liked our content, consider subscribing our channel to never miss out on any new video in the future. You can also comment down which country you are from. This helps us to know our audience and bring out videos for every part of the world. This is the BizInc, signing off.